Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. GitHub Access Tokens, a comprehensive tutorial. GitHub Access Tokens are used to authenticate to the GitHub API and perform actions on behalf of a user or an application. They are a more secure alternative to using your GitHub username and password, especially since GitHub has deprecated password authentication for the API. Why use access tokens? 1. Security. Tokens can be revoked without changing your password. 2. Granular permissions. You can create tokens with specific scopes, limiting their access to only what is necessary. 3. Automation. Tokens can be used in scripts and CI/CD pipelines for automated deployment and management tasks. Creating a personal access token. 1. Login to GitHub. Go to GitHub, https://github.com, and log into your account. 2. Navigate to Settings. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Settings. 3. Developer Settings. Scroll down in the left sidebar and click on Developer Settings. 4. Personal Access Tokens. Click on Personal Access Tokens Classic. 5. Generate a new token. Click the Generate New Token button. 6. Set token description and expiration. Write a note for what this token will be used for. Choose an expiration date. 7. Select scopes. Check the boxes for the permissions you want this token to have. For example, repo, full control of private repositories. Workflow, update GitHub Actions workflow files. Admin org, read and write access to organization resources. 8. Generate token, click Generate token. Important, make sure to copy the token now. You won't be able to see it again. Using access tokens in code. You can use access tokens in various ways, such as in HTTP headers for API requests. Example, using access tokens with Python. Here's a simple example using Python's requests library to access the GitHub API with your personal access token. This example retrieves your repositories. 1. Install the requests library, if you haven't already. Bash. Pip install requests. 2. Create a Python script. Python. Import requests. Replace your _access _token_ here with the token you generated. Access _token equals your _access _token_ here. Headers equals. Authorization, F token access _token. Accept, application/vnd.github.v3 plus JSON. API endpoint to get user repositories. URL equals https://api.github.com/user/repos. Make the request. Response equals requests.get, URL, headers equals headers. If response.status_code equals 200. Repos equals response.json. For repo in repos. Print, f repo name, URL, repo HTML_URL. Else. Print, f error, response.status_code, response.text. Important security practices. 1. Keep tokens secret. Treat your access tokens like passwords. Don't expose them in your source code or commit them to repositories. 2. Use environment variables. Store tokens in environment variables instead of hard coding them in your scripts. Here's how you might do it in Python. Python. Import OS. Access_token equals os.getonv, github_access_token. 3. Limit scopes, only grant the minimum permissions necessary for your task. 4. Regularly rotate tokens, Change your tokens periodically to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. 5. Revoke unused tokens. If you no longer need a token, revoke it through the GitHub settings. Conclusion: GitHub Access Tokens are a powerful tool for secure authentication when interacting with the GitHub API. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create, use, and manage your access tokens effectively while ensuring the security of your GitHub account. Always remember to follow best practices to keep your tokens safe.